Beautiful Saturday morning, heading to work. Well, I'm gonna drop off the Colorado to my buddy Adrian to get that CCE level kit installed. I would love to do the install myself to show you guys, but working the car business, so if you know, you know, no time for nothing. But there she is, looking good. We'll see what she looks like after. Let me get a good, nice little profile view. Boom. Yeah. All right, guys, I have a dilemma. I bought this muffler for this thing, for the Wife 6.2 Bourbon, but I just never got around to doing it, and I was interested to put it on that one because it's the family hauler, you know, nice and quiet. It's a 1320 muffler. Excuse the mess. Look at this puppy. Now I'm thinking, should I throw this thing on the Colorado? I mean, I know it's a 4-banger and all, but you know, it's a pretty big size, so it shouldn't make it much louder, if almost any at all. Maybe just get a little different tone, maybe more turbo noise. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should I go for it? Let's go to Adrian, get this CCE leveling kit installed, and then hopefully 35s next week. We're getting here. I thought it was gonna be the first one, but someone beat me to it. Here we are. Adrian's already here. Let's do this. All right, guys, she's back from getting the CCE leveling kit with the 1-inch, I guess, leveling kit. I think it looks pretty good. Oh, no, you stay over there, puppy. Let me just go around real quick. Show you a whole side profile. I think it looks pretty good. Still has a slight rake in the back, which I think is perfect. And should give me all the clearance I need for the 35. Adrian said it was pretty straightforward and easy. You need a leveling kit. That's all right there. And
let's go to the back.
You gotta stay tuned for this one, but yeah, we did a thing too.
Yeah,
we did a thing.